government is also helping, the famed
Right.
subsidies that they're giving on the electric vehicles.
Right.
So it helps us, the delivery companies or the logistic companies, to reduce our capital cost by at least say 20-25% when we are buying the vehicle.
Okay.
So that impacts our basic costs or fixed costs. All the big investment firms, they are pushing
Yes.
hard to all the people that,
Right. And encouraging them to
Correct.
become carbon neutral.
of course.
Right. So, as a business owner, Rishabh, this is the first phase of the EV industry, right? इसी phase में research हो रहा है, development हो रहा है, नए innovations आ रहे हैं. It's basically a trial and error phase.
Correct.
So, as a business person in this first phase, how do you think it's more difficult for you to profit in this line of business as compared to the traditional logistics business if you would have had, right?
See, profitability is not a problem.
Okay.
Why? Because with our generation, or even the generation before us now, they've also become a little conscious that like probably our generation
Right.
people, couples, they talk, they don't want to have a kid.
Yeah.
The first question they have, why will I get him into the or her into this world?
Right.
So everybody has consciously or unconsciously become aware about the world coming to an end.
Right.
And people are taking a step to change themselves or to change the country or the way how things happen. So the industry has also accepted it. And at few cases, adapting an EV is more expensive for them.
Right.
But they believe that the carbon credits that they get, they are benefiting from that, or
Right.
they are reducing their carbon footprint.
Right.
Or otherwise also, see, it is not at that price point which will not help people cross the barrier. So EV
Okay.
industry currently is at such a price point which is making all big aggregators easy to cross that barrier.
Right.
So I believe that it is not very expensive and it is at par or even better than diesel or other
Right.
vehicles.